Guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing a review of the microgreens found at the Dollar Tree. Stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, I do occasional gardening videos, and if you like all things Dollar Tree, like hauls, organizing, please check me out and subscribe below. Lately, Dollar Tree has been selling microgreen seeds in two types, the mild mix and the hot mix. The mild mix has seeds from lots of stuff like cabbage red express, kale lacinato, mustard tatsoi black knight, cabbage pak choi, and mustard mizuna. The hot mix has seeds from mustard purple wave, mustard mizuna line streaked, mustard tatsoi, kale red ursa, and kohlrabi purple vienna. Both sell in 5-gram packages and are produced by the American Seed Company. Now, seeds are over 4 to 5 times cheaper if bought in bulk. So if you plan to grow your own microgreens long term, you may want to look into other options. But I think Dollar Tree microgreen seeds are a great option if you want to try them out first. Full disclosure, this is my first time growing microgreens. So there are so many options for containers that you can use. You can go to your local gardening center to buy long trays, or you could use old containers from fruit and vegetables you bought from the market. I used some food safe trays that I saved from a to-go meal. I decided to use soil, but you can use coco coir or even paper towel to grow them. So I decided to try both varieties at the same time, and I'd have to say that one critique I have of myself is that I was afraid of using too much seed. With microgreens, you want to use a lot of seed to maximize the amount you fit per inch. Since they are only growing to grow straight up for a few days, each plant or seed needs just a tiny amount of space to grow. If your tray does not have drainage, you can water the seeds by spraying twice a day. Keep them in the dark, and once they have sprouted, continue watering for a few days to give them time to grow. Then place them in a sunny window so they grow nice and tall. After a few days, you can clip them with scissors, and after a good rinse, enjoy them by themselves or on just about anything, from sandwiches, salads, soups, toast, eggs, whatever you'd like. Just to kind of experiment and play around, I did also try using the paper towel method. I'd have to say I had trouble with this one. One tray had drainage, one tray did not. And even though I used just a spray bottle again, both sides ended up being moldy. There was some growth of microgreens, but I did not feel safe eating any of it, so I threw that out. So if you do use the paper towel method, be very, very careful about moisture and making sure you're not soaking the seeds too much. So all in all, I had a lot of fun growing these microgreens. It was a nice activity to do with my daughter, and it's nice to have the immediate satisfaction of harvest, as growing them only took 7 to 10 days. Have you tried growing microgreens? If you see them, I recommend you give it a go. If you'd like to follow my garden updates or like all things Dollar Tree, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.